So I'm going to talk about storytelling in a multi-platform world. So something that Sky is very much in Britain at the forefront of is not just telling stories through our television channel, but also telling stories online and crucially telling stories through apps. And I'm just talking to the technical guy at at your festival, whether I can do a live demonstration to you of the Sky News iPad app, which if that works, you'll be able to see it's a very different way of kind of consuming news, and it gives new opportunities for ways to tell stories. So, like I say, if I can make the technical side work, I'm hoping that I'll be able to, give people some ideas on new ways of telling stories in this new world.